wake up.
Birthday, Asia. Everybody sing.
Happy birthday, Asia.
Nothing is so sweet.
Hey guys.
Say hi. Hi.
Hey guys, good morning and welcome to another vlog. So today is May 8th and it's our second born daughter Asia's birthday, 6th birthday. So I'm preparing for a DIY decoration. And so sad, our printer's broken. Dili mo gawas ang color guys. Wala siya pink. So, wala na siya ang color. Oh no. So, Asia's theme is bows. Like JoJo's. I don't know if you know JoJo, but kids, JoJo, but kids love JoJo. Search na muna guys kung kinsa si JoJo. So I made this out of colored paper na nakita na ko sa stash. This one. Good thing na pinabili. Kaya wala din yung ka-add to school supplies to buy something to decorate. So, may-print na lang ko guys. And dapat rainbow color na siya. But the printer is not working well. So, wala mo yung color. Guys. And the paper bows. Patawa siya ito. Hi, birthday girl. Here's the birthday girl. Wala pa yung ligo.
Pajama dance.
This is malasugi and tuna pang suba ng potato and ground beef for the spaghetti. So, spaghetti na po. Na? Ito na.
May balahibo siya ba siya?
Normal nga na balibo.
Ito gusto na yung balahibo. Arte.
Saan na siya ang part sa kuan?
Knuckles.
Knuckles?
Ano to ni guys, kanang murag balbakwa, ambot kabalo baka ako. Sulayan lang, latan lang good, butang lamas ug asin na. Ano? Sapay dugayan.
Let's cook spaghetti again, guys. Same sauce, hot dogs, ground beef, and sibuyas ug ahos.
Gamot na ba?
Hi, Elle! What happened?
Hindi pa wake up.
Hindi mo magidulaan ng ballpen. Oh, what's
Ballpen ito na
that?
awas na ito.
Kuan pa gitsan na wong.
Pahid siya daw. Bating kuwan na. Bating hugawa noon.
Bye-bye! Ooh! Cooking. Babako. Ouch. So we're here now sa salon, guys, and I'm just prepping everything. And mani siya mo ang backdrop. Hi, Wes!
Hi.
Hi.
Wait, let me show my AC.
Okay.
I'm playing my A.
Nice. We have sinugbang sinugbang panga yung isa malasugi. Then again our cake pop, so cute. There you go, from Honeys and Cakes. Thank you, honey. So ang theme ni Asia is bow and rainbow. Kay idol niya si Jojo. And we have pancit again from Cookhouse by Grab Food. And then I cooked spaghetti. And we have lechon. Ang request ni Asia is Jollibee, pero nasira dami sa Jollibee. Kaya ang last order nila for Grab or Foodpanda is 3:30. So nag-order na lang may lechon. And ang amuang ito, barbakwa na pa dito. So later, I will show you. Go. Hi, Asia! Here's your cake!
It's so cool.
Really? You like it? Are you happy?
Zian said I have 2 cakes.
Only one, but you have cake pops. Do you like your cake? So nice, no? Hi, Ellie!
Say hi, Ed.
Ellie! Hi!
She's eating with speaker.
Alright, we're done pictorial. Mga unami. Murag daghan kayo may bisita no? Kami lang. Ready now, food. We have rice, sinumba, cake, chicken, and pancit, and of course, spaghetti.
And mommy's vlog.
Music. With music?
There's no music.
Come here, Zian. Here, over here. Happy birthday, Asia. Everybody sing.
Happy birthday, Asia! Happy birthday, happy birthday! Happy birthday, Asia!
One more time.
Happy birthday, Asia! Happy birthday, Asia! Happy birthday, happy birthday! Happy birthday, Asia! Okay, you wish, Asia, you wish.
Your wish.
What's your wish?
Okay, blow now. Yay! Happy birthday, Asia. Come on, let's pray.
Okay, let's pray
Thank you so
now.
much, Father God. Busog na. Pop mo rice.
How's the food, West?
Okay.
Ellie!
Mommy wants to drink it. Sprite. Like a gift, Asia?
So Zian has a gift
I
for
always
Isha.
wanted that. And
It's a puppet, according to her. Like this, oh wait. Hello, Isha! Hello!
What's that animal? It's a cat.
Oh, it's a cat! And it has a message. Happy birthday, Asia. Wait, you said form!
I want to see.
From! Form! Elle? What are you doing there, Elle?
I'm saying YouTube. It just says no. Go to YouTube.
Going to dance. They want to dance. They want to have a dance number. What's Ellie?
Nothing is so cute. Nothing is so sweet. Oh, if I speak.
Go.
Oh, low bat! The speaker is low bat! You didn't charge the speaker. confirm.
Mommy, when is this one done?
The internet is low.
Oh.
Hindi! So Asia has a thank you card for me.
Daddy.
This is her thank you card. I love you. With a drawing of cakes. And then what's inside? Oh, still I love you. And
Mommy, I
smiling.
want ice cream.
Oh, smiling too. Thank you, Aisha. Love you.
I need to.
Okay.
Mommy.
Card from
Mommy.
Angel.
I want.
How's your birthday, Aisha? Are you happy? Even though it's quarantine?
What's that mean?
Even though we are locked down, we're just celebrating at home.
Happy birthday, happy. Happy birthday.
What do you say to Mami?
Thank you, Mommy.
Also, Daddy.
What else?
Thank you, Daddy.
Talk to the camera.
And
What kind of?
Thank you to Jesus. Thank you to Jesus.
Jesus. Thank you, Jesus.
love you.
Thanks for
Hey guys, so I think that's all for this vlog.
Thanks for watching.
See you on our next vlog. Bye bye. Thank you for watching.
Hit the
It's a birthday.
like and subscribe.
Yeah, hit the like and subscribe.